Ropax 26. Many ship owners stick to their own flags because that is the way to really defend the last castle, the last rock with the last soldier. But what if there are no more European crew to help ship owners? Why? Because Europe has been granted really the best place in the commerce in this planet for perpetuity. But we have these politicians that sold us about the European Union. It's not European Union, it's European sinking. So yes, everything they touch, it sinks. So why don't you think about it, dear ship owner, if you have a Ropax, and then think about, well, do I have trade with Algeria? Contact us. We have about 500 officers and ratings available. No, we have 1,000. Does Cyprus flag accept this? Yes, of course. Why don't you contact us today and then separate, isolate, dividici, bendici, divide the risk, and then you will win. Then we have also got Morocco. Morocco has a pool of very good officers and the ratings and the catering. Why bring Asians in the summer? Because we are going to have a huge problems this year. 100 million tourists are visiting Spain, and then how about Italy and France? And so it's massification of tourists and even massification of cruise ships. So it is a great opportunity to draw this talent towards your company with Candina. We have Adonis, which is a very good software for this Ropax fleet. We also have Crew Inspector, but we are beginning to be masters within Adonis. We are going to have a budget and variance report like other big softwares have, but at 1/100th cost of this Mariapp and many other softwares. And we can really adapt to your good company with Adonis and think about this flag and nationalities. You can wait until mañana, or you can do it yesterday like we do things here in Bilbao and really be with a competitive advantage today and tomorrow. Thank you, bye.